Welcome to EngageHouston.org. We're incredibly excited to share this platform with you. This site allows us to communicate with Houstonians about the changes that are happening in their neighborhood. Our goal was to make it visually fun and engaging, as well as simple to navigate so that anyone would be able to find what they need. Thanks to Google Translate, users can translate the language used on the website, which makes for even more user-friendliness. On the home screen, you can navigate the 4 project types that we support: drainage, street, wastewater, and water projects. Beneath that, you're going to see a variety of resources. This is where you can go if you want to watch us in action, view various Houston Public Works initiatives, and so much more. All of these resources can also be found up here in our header. For all public meetings, we send out notifications to the community. And one way to access the meeting link is to click on this Join Us button pictured here. When you select the Join Us button, it's going to take you to our upcoming virtual community meeting schedule. As you can see, there are a few virtual meetings planned for this month that have already been scheduled on the calendar. Another great thing about this website is that we have enabled social media shares. Users can share meeting links, project pages, and updates to their social media feed through private messages and/or email, and this helps us in getting more information out to the community. Now, let's explore what a project page looks like. Using the navigation links at the top of the page, we can check out the active projects. If we click on drainage, that will take us to all of the active drainage projects. Let's dive into one. How about Garden Oaks and Shepherd Park West? This is our standard project page format. It is a snapshot of all of the relevant project information. On the project page, it shows a standard map, which highlights the project area, and general project information, which may be followed by a link below to the project's frequently asked questions. To the right, you're going to see a variety of tools, and first is the Stay Informed Subscribe button. This allows a user to subscribe to this project alone, meaning that this specific project is of great interest. All it requires is inputting your email address here, and you'll be notified via email when updates are posted to the page or new information becomes available. You'll see the current project phase as well as the project documents, meeting recordings, videos, and pictures underneath that. And of course, every page is going to show you who's listening and who the public engagement team is. At the bottom of the page, there's the Engage Us tool, which allows you to correspond directly with us through this platform. In order to use this tool, you must be registered and signed into the site, and we'll be showing you that process shortly. Once you're signed in, you can ask questions, and they're sent directly to the public engagement team, and we research and provide a response to every single question that is asked. The cool thing about this site is that not only does the original poster receive an answer to their question, they'll also be notified via email once there's a response. We wanted to also note that some of the questions and answers will be posted publicly so that others can view the conversation. We say some because in order to respect privacy, we don't post a question and answer if someone uses any personal information, but they still will get an answer and be notified via email. Let's take a look at another project page. Another feature that is available is the Project Updates tool, which allows participants to get the latest information on the project. If they're subscribed, they'll be notified when an update is posted and can share that update to social media or via email. We are working on providing updates for each project so that we can continually keep the community informed and engaged. Last but not least, we encourage everyone to register for this site. Some of the tools we discussed earlier can only be accessed and utilized if you're registered, so it is extremely important to register for the site. We made it as simple, quick, and painless as we could. Here, let me show you. Just create a username and password, then enter your email, zip code, and identify which City of Houston Council District you live in. Of course, if you don't know, select that. Or if it doesn't apply, select none of the above. And then you need to proceed to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy as the next step. To complete the registration process, you'll receive a confirmation email, and once you confirm that it's you are good to go. Now, you're all set up to utilize the tools here on EngageHouston.org.